guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I am super excited because I wanted to introduce you guys to my MAC kits for 2021. So I have collaborated with MAC Cosmetics again this year to bring out my festive kits, and I'm so super proud of these. I feel like these are great for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're into advanced makeup. You can use these kits and they're great value kits. So they're also great as gifting options to yourself or to anyone else. So I'm going to talk you through all three of my kits, why I chose what I chose, and different ways of usage, swatches, every single thing. So yes, if you want to know more about my MAC kits, then please keep on watching. Let's start with the basic stuff, and that is availability. My kits are available offline as well as online. So you can go to a MAC store and pick these up, or you can go to a shopper stop which has a MAC counter and you can pick my kits up. If you want to shop them online, they're there on MAC Cosmetics site, and they're also there on Nykaa, Purple and Myntra. I also have an exclusive kit with Nykaa, so I will talk more about it when we come to the kit. But yes, those are all of the places you can grab my MAC Cosmetics kits from. Alrighty, let's get down to the exciting part, the kits. The first one I want to introduce to you guys is Get Lippy. Now, Get Lippy is a combination of three beautiful full-size MAC lipsticks, and it retails for rupees 2,950 rupees only. So you're essentially paying less than 1,000 rupees per lipstick, which is like such a great price point. You save about 44% when you get this kit. My first motive with this kit was to make sure that the shades that I'm using are something that would work across different skin tones. That was my first motive, and that's why I chose three beautiful shades in two different formulations. The first shade that we have here is Twig, which is a beautiful pinky nude shade, and it's in a satin finish. It looks so gorgeous on the skin. The second shade we have here is Verve, which is a deeper brown shade with a little bit of cool undertone. Again, it's a satin finish, wears so comfortably and looks gorgeous on the skin. And the third shade we have is Chili, which is a matte formulation, and it's a brick red shade. Looks so gorgeous across different skin tones. All these shades are pretty wearable. That again was something I really wanted to keep in mind, that these shades are pretty wearable and you can mix and match them up to create your own shades too. This one is probably my favorite out of them all, but I think I love them all, so I'm not going to be a little biased towards this one. But yes, that's our first kit, Get Lippy. And the second kit we have is Stop, Drop and Glow. Now this one is a combination of two cult favorite products. We have Strobe Cream Mini in Pink Light, and then we have Technicolor Full Size in Graph Black. This one retails for rupees 2,100 and you save about 19% when you get this kit. I think these two products are a must-have for anyone and everyone, because Strobe Cream, do I even need to introduce it? But I'm going to quickly tell you a couple of different things you can do with this Strobe Cream. Now, of course, you can use Strobe Cream on bare skin and it will instantly make your skin look dewy, healthy and glowy. Or you can mix it in with your foundation and it would make your foundation look so much more luminous. Another way of using Strobe Cream is to apply it on top of your cheekbones once you're done with your foundation, and it would give you the most subtle, beautiful, healthy glow. Now, a fun way in which you can use Strobe Cream is to just apply it on top of lipstick, and it would give a lipstick a metallic, glossy finish, which would just transform your lip color instantly. The second product we have here is a full-size Technicolor in Graph Black, and this is the deepest, darkest black kajal. You don't even need to tug or pull once you're applying it on your waterline, and even on your lash line once you're applying it, you don't need to stretch out your eyes because it's so creamy and beautiful. And you can smudge it while it's still not set, because once it's set and it does not budge throughout the day. If you're someone who loves to emphasize their eyes, wear kohl or smudged liner, you need this kit in your life because it would instantly become your favorite. And the last kit we have is called Pink Bay, and this is a Nykaa exclusive kit, so you can only grab it on Nykaa, or you can also walk into the Nykaa Lux stores and grab this one. This one retails for rupees 2,600 and you have two full-size products in there. So we have MAC Meher, which is a matte lipstick, and then we also have a full size of MAC Fix Plus. Again, cult classic products. Last year when I did my kits, a lot of you wanted to see Meher in those kits, so I definitely jotted that down, like Meher should be there, and I knew that I had to create a kit with Meher in there. Now Meher is a beautiful pink lipstick and it needs no one's introduction because it's such a cult classic favorite product. Everyone loves it. It looks so gorgeous on different skin tones. It just works for everyone and anyone. And the second product we have in here is a full size Fix Plus. Again, this one needs no introduction, but I'm going to share with you guys a couple of different ways in which I use Fix Plus, which I so dearly love. Of course, you can spritz it on your bare face and it would prep your face for makeup application, just make your face look fresh, radiant and glowy. You can also mix it in with your foundation, just spray a couple of pumps in your foundation and it would make your foundation so much more long wearing. You can also apply it once you're done with powdering your face to make sure your face doesn't look powdery or cakey. It just meshes your makeup in beautifully and makes you look so much more natural. And another way in which you can use your Fix Plus is to make your eyeshadows pop. When you use an eyeshadow pigment dry, it looks good, yes, definitely, but once you spritz your brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, it intensifies the shimmer to next level and it will make your eyes sparkle like no one else. And yes, that is our last kit, Pink Bay. Oh my god, this feels so unreal. I still have butterflies in my tummy thinking about the choosing process, the shoot, the launch, the posters in the MAC store. It all just feels like it's a dream and I'm gonna snap out of it any second. I feel so lucky and I hope you guys like these kits too. And if you pick them up, then don't forget to share it with me. I would love to see it. Again, you can get them in stores or online. I'm going to have all information in the bottom bar for you as well. These are great as gifts if you're just beginning with makeup and you want something that's very basic, or if you're already like into makeup and you want to restock on your stuff and you want some value for your money, then these are great. But yes, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all so much. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm here because of you guys. I love you all so much. Bye.